Okay, this video is what is a TDS meter? TDS stands for total dissolved solids. And here's what a TDS meter looks like. It's kind of like a big marker pen. You can buy these real cheap off the internet. You just dip them in the water, the electrodes go into the water, and they measure the number of particles per cubic centimeter. And the readout comes in ppm typically, parts per million. And tap water is going to be in the ballpark of around 300 or so. Maybe a little higher depending. Well water maybe a little higher. The carbon filter will drop that down to around 150. And then if you use reverse osmosis, you'll get it to about 10 to 110 depending on how old or new the reverse osmosis is. When it's newer, it'll be down to 10 or even below 10. Distillation is like 0 to 2. Distillation is the most powerful water filtration, but reverse osmosis is good enough. It's powerful. This one here will even say don't even drink water if it's below 0 to 50. The point is the water can be hypoosmolar, so I would eat first, so I got some particles in it and going into my blood, or I would squeeze a lemon or something else into it. Some people criticize TDS meters saying, well, it only measures charged particles because it's really measuring the electrical conductivity of the water and then calculating an estimate of the number of charged particles in the water. Cations means positively charged particles. I can remember cat purrs, P for positive. Anions, I remember N at the beginning for negative. A TDS does not measure non-charged particles, but it's not that big of a deal because it removes most things. For example, if there's Giardia, Cryptosporidium, or amoeba in the water, it removes them. If there's lead, copper, cadmium, it removes them. It will remove fluoride. It will remove PFAS related to fluoride. It removes over 99% of pesticides and herbicides. So yeah, there might possibly be some that sneak by, but not too many. It removes arsenic. It removes sulfates and asbestos and whatnot. So they're very good. I use reverse osmosis filters. I've always used them for the last, ever since I've been in a house or an apartment. So anyways, they're very good. I think they're very much worth using. You can easily buy a total dissolved solid meter, just off the internet. You can also give a printout in milligrams per liter, but they're very useful. You always want to know what it is in your drinking water, and if it's too high, I wouldn't drink the water. I mean, why take a chance? You don't want to be drinking fluoride. You don't want to be drinking these other things if you can avoid it. Why not?